Hey traders, welcome back to the channel that helps you read the markets before they move. If you trade Nifty 50, this is the video you don't want to miss. Let's break down the Nifty 50 market analysis for today.
Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This content is purely educational. I'm not a SEBI-registered advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice.
Let's start with the daily chart. We can clearly see that Nifty 50 has been moving in a downward trend. And yesterday's candle took support at the 24,980 level. The sellers are gaining momentum. But is that the whole story? Let's dive into the 15-minute chart to get the full picture. Looking at yesterday's 15-minute chart, we saw the market open with a gap down at 24,790. Then buyers stepped in and took the price up to 24,950. But sellers quickly dragged it down to 24,750. Finally, buyers managed to pull it back and close at 24,800. This is a classic sign of indecision, but with a bearish bias. Now, here's the most likely scenario for today. If the market opens with a gap up and a big red candle closes below 24,800, we can expect the market to fall towards 24,725 and even 24,680 after hitting minor resistance near 24,700. This could be the start of a bigger move down if selling continues. If the market opens flat, we're likely to enter a sideways zone between 24,750 and 24,880. Avoid trading in this area. It's a no-trade zone, unless a clear breakout or breakdown occurs. This range is where smart traders sit and wait, not chase. Now, let's consider a less likely but possible upside scenario. If any candle closes above 25,920, we might see a pushback toward 25,2025, where strong sellers are expected. But if buyers break that level, we could see a rally toward 25,100. This would be a multi-day bullish move, not something that happens in a single day, possibly forming as a weekly candle. But let's be realistic. The market has been in a clear downtrend for the past few days, so upside chances are low unless there's a major positive trigger. So today's session is crucial. We'll either see continuation of the fall or a strong reversal signal. All right, here's your quick level summary for today. Bearish if red candle closes below 24,800. Targets 24,725 and 24,680. Sideways zone 24,750, 24,880. No trade zone bullish, only if above 25,920. Target 25,100 trend, still bearish overall. Smart traders wait for confirmation, not hope. If this analysis helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your view, bullish or bearish for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session.